popular request in my last video, where we are going to be discussing how you can actually get contracts faster on any Webnovel website that you decide to submit your work. Okay, so I'm going to be using Webnovel as an example and Letterlux. So yeah, let's get started. The first on my list is get to know the website you want to work for or you want to work with. You get to know the websites. You can work with as much websites at the same time, but you need to get to know each of these websites at the same time. You get my point? For instance, a Webnovel is known to like billionaire story, you get romance story. Why Letterlux also like approve romance story, but if you have werewolf story, you can easily get contracts on Letterlux compared to Webnovel. So if you want to submit a story and it's billionaire story, I advise you to go to Webnovel. But if it's not billionaire story, it is werewolf story, you can apply on Letterlux first and then you apply on Webnovel. You can apply on both of them at the same time. The first that give you contract is the one you're going for, and depends on the contract that you are given. Okay, now the best way to know the preference of each website you want to write for is by reading 3 to 4 chapters of the top authors in the genre you want to write for. We have different genre. We have fantasy, we have billionaire romance, mafia romance, we have werewolf. Under each genre there is always a top authors. Then you are going to get familiar, read, like to have idea about how you are expected to write your own story as well. Second on my list is outline. Your outline needs to be well detailed. Your outline really needs to be well detailed. You can use ChatGPT, but wisely. Yes, so that is it basically. You have to check the authenticity of the work. If it has to be 100% human written. So you have to be smart about it. The number 3 on my list is knowing the required word counts you are expected to submit to get a contract. For Webnovel, you are expected to submit 5,000 words to get a contract, and it has to be 5,000 words. It can actually be more than 5,000 words. That is the minimum you are to submit is 5k words. You get it has to be 5k words, and it could be 3 chapters, 4 chapters, but most of times it's always like 5 chapters, 4 chapters, 5 chapters. Just make sure that it's up to 5k word. That is that for that. Then the next on my list, which is number 4 on my list, is your book cover. This is the first thing they are going to see. You have to make it look attractive, and also look at something that people want to check out. You get, and your title has to be very, very, very captivating. Yeah, you can just ChatGPT. The title, the book cover is what they are going to see first, and you want them to actually want to see this and accept it. And you need to make it look captivating, and also you have to make it look captivating as well. Okay, so that is all I have to say about that. Lastly, it's your pen name. Okay, now your name is Babatunde Olusoji. You can't write Baba, so you now wrote Babatunde Olusoji as your pen name. Who know you? Like, hold on. First and foremost, it is not Nigerian sites. This particular website, you do not need to put your name like that, and you have to wake it up, like make something out of your name, check others authors and make up your own name, your own unique name. Snow White, kind of anything. You get that's what I'm saying. So you have to just make it look good, and that's it. You don't have to make it look Nigerian. So that is all I have to say. If you have any additional thing that I missed, maybe I didn't say in this video, and you think it should be one of them, let us know in the comment section, and of course I'm going to pin it so every other person can actually see it as well. And do take care of yourself. If you have any other question, make sure you drop the comments, and see you in the next video. Bye.